Hello Sudoku guys, welcome today. Today in the additional with extra Sudokus we have here 7 extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 27th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, and a binary. So total of 7 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all because too much time to solve it. Time consuming, and I will do only 4 of them: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. And this one, the first one, a 3-star Sudoku. This will be number 1807. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count. We have here 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 22 plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct. The 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 6 in this column, a 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be there. And then how about Yeah, the 8 in this column, the 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 8 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, the 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. In the first column, the 8 is missing also. Yes, the first column, 3 missing numbers, the 5, the 8, and the 9. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in this box. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so on the row between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so on the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so on the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, we see there 3, so no 3s in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1 Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then. 2. Alright. Then how about 275? Yeah. 2 missing numbers now in this row. The 4 and the 7 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 7. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number here is the number 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 9. Let me mark them for you. 2 and the 9. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. Then 4, 9, 2. 2. 3 missing numbers in the middle. A row, the 2 is missing. We see here 2. The 9 is missing. We see here 9. And the 6 is missing. So we have a 2 and a 9 here. So this box cannot be 2 or 9. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. So 1 digit left should be the 6. Then 5. Alright. So we have 9, 4. Well. 1, 4, 4. The 6. And then 9. We have a pair. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing. No. I made a mistake. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes, and a 2. So we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Those 2 numbers in this row should be for the numbers 5 and 6. Let me mark them for you, 6 and 5. The other 2 numbers, the 1 and the 8. These 2 numbers, the 4 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 here in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and 4. Then those three missing numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, we see there 2. The 9 is missing, we see there 9, so no 9 there. 2, 9, and 5. 2, 9, and 5. No, I need to wait. 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. No. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 should be here. 8. Ay. 4. Let me think. 2. In the second column, 2 numbers left, 2 and 9. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. Let me mark them. We have a pair here, 1 and an 8. How about those two? The 2 and the 5. No, still. We have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 5. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so on the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this third row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 9. 1 number left in the middle column should be the... No. 1, the 8, the 6 is missing here. Yes. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. The final 2 numbers are the 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right. Is this really a 3-star Sudoku? I do not know. Anyway, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.